Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. So, in this class, we will discuss change in change in magnitude of velocity and also magnitude of change in velocity. Very, very important and confusing. Carefully, we have to observe and carefully we have to solve the problem. In case of freely falling body or vertically projected body. Just we will discuss now. An object is projected with initial velocity 50 meter per second or 60 meter per second on the surface of the ground they have given. Let us assume what is the change in magnitude of velocity after time of ascent time. What is time of ascent equation? U by g. So 50 by 10. So 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, where is the object means? It will be at maximum height. Its final velocity will be 0. Isn't it? It is at maximum. Now, what is the change in magnitude of velocity after 5 seconds? They will ask. What is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is 50 meter per second. What is the final velocity? 0 meter per second at t is equal to 5 seconds. Now, what is the change in magnitude of velocity? Change in magnitude of velocity means delta v is Vf minus Vi. Isn't it? Change in magnitude of velocity. So Vf minus magnitude of Vi. What is Vf? Final velocity is 0 minus what is Vi? 50. Therefore, minus 50 meter per second. Correct? Change in magnitude of velocity. For the same case, what is the magnitude of change in velocity? What is the magnitude of change in velocity means delta V is equal to same Vf minus Vi. Change in velocity you should calculate first. That is Vf minus Vi. What is Vf? 0 minus what is Vi? 50. So delta V is going to be minus 50 meter per second. This is change in velocity. But here they ask magnitude. Now what is the magnitude of change in velocity? That is going to be 50 meter per second. Understood? Small change for these two answers. Now for the same problem, an object is projected with 50 meter per second. So what is the change in velocity after 2 seconds? So after 2 seconds, first we have to calculate what is the velocity. Velocity at t time. What is the formula? V is equal to u plus at. In case of vertically projected body, u minus gt. Now velocity at 2 seconds, after 2 seconds. 50 minus 10 into 2. So 50 minus 20. That is going to be 30 meter per second. So velocity at after 2 seconds, it is going upwards because you have projected with 50 meter per second. Till 5 seconds, it is going to move upwards. Let us assume after 2 seconds, its velocity is 30 meter per second. Both are positive. Now, what is the final velocity? 30 meter per second. What is the initial velocity? 50 meter per second. Now, see, our question is magnitude of velocity, change in magnitude of velocity, magnitude of change in velocity. First, I am calculating change in velocity. Now, what is change in velocity? Vf minus Vi. What is Vf? 50 minus 30. So 50 minus 30 means 20 meter per second. This is change in velocity. Now, magnitude of change in velocity you can say. What is magnitude of change in velocity? You have to apply magnitude. That is 20. Sorry. What is Vf here? Final velocity is not 50. Final velocity is 30. Correct? 30 minus 50. 30 minus 50 means you will get minus 20. So change in velocity is minus 20 meter per second. Magnitude of change in velocity is plus 20 meter per second. Next, see this one, change in magnitude of velocity. So change in magnitude of velocity means, so delta V is equal to magnitude of Vf minus magnitude of Va. Change in magnitude of their velocity. What is final velocity? 30. Minus what is initial velocity? 50. So minus 20 meter per second. This is change in magnitude of velocity. Correct? So minus 20 meter per second. Now same question. They're asking what is the change in velocity at 8 seconds? So initial velocity u is equal to 50 meter per second. After reaching maximum height, its final velocity will become 0. To reach maximum height, it is taking 5 seconds. Means 8 seconds means it is coming downwards. Now what is the velocity at 8 seconds? V8 is equal to u minus gt. 50 minus 10 into 8. How much you will get? 50 minus 80 minus 30 meter per second. Now, what is the change in velocity? Vf minus Va. What is the Vf final velocity here? Minus 30, correct? Minus what is the initial velocity? 50. So, minus 80 meter per second. This is change in velocity. Change in velocity. Now, magnitude of change in velocity. Now, what is the magnitude of change in velocity? You will get 80 meter per second. Correct? Now we will see this one. Change in magnitude of velocity. Delta V is going to be magnitude of Vf minus magnitude of Va. Change in magnitude of velocity. What is magnitude of Vf? Here Vf is going to be minus 30. So magnitude of minus 30 minus what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is 50. So 30 minus 50, what we are going to get? Minus 20 meter per second. So like this, they're going to ask. They will ask either in case of freely falling body or vertically projected body. Just if you understand the concept means how we have to apply. Magnitude of velocity. Change in magnitude of velocity means first we have to take magnitudes. Magnitude of change in velocity means first we have to find change in velocity. Later we have to calculate magnitude for that. Understood? So like this they will ask. So try to practice. Definitely you are going to get.